Hey Rutgers, today I'm here at the University Career Services Open House. If you're looking for a new job, internship, or maybe just some different career opportunities, this is the place to be. Let's go check it out. What do you hope students will gain from this Career Services Open House today?
It is our hope that students, when they come visit us at University Career Services, that they will recognize that we are here for them. We represent sometimes the real world, and that can be scary, but we like to have fun just like everyone else.
What do you hope students gain from this open house?
So this open house is really so students can get a feel of what career services is, get to meet the counselors and attend a few of our workshops. So our workshops right now are tailored towards one, Insider's Guide to the Career Fair. So basically learning how to prep for the career fair, how to make the best impression, how to stand out and differentiate yourself from other candidates. And our other workshop today is about how to find an on-campus or off-campus part-time job, which is an inquiry for a lot of students on campus. So definitely getting to know our counselors, attending some of the workshops, and also getting a fast pass for our career fair.
Planning, as I said, to build skills and stuff, and it seems like just a really valuable resource that I'll be able to use later on. So I might even come back this year.
Since I'm in my third year of Rutgers, I need to know more about career services, about updating my resume, trying to figure out how I'm going to get an internship, and trying to find a job after graduation.
Experience has become the new entry-level requirement, so get involved in internships. Do research with a faculty member, join a student organization. These are all experiences that are going to help you develop soft skills that employers are seeking.
Well, Rutgers, I definitely learned a lot here at the Career Services Open House. I'm going to go home and update my resume right now. Thanks for coming with me. I'm Daniela Cardona, RUTV.